Today is May 30th in 2024. Let's review SPY. Today's SPY trading. I would say you are able to make profit, for being bullish or bearish. Either side, going long, going short, you still make good profit. Let's look at the pattern. I always focus on the pattern in 1 minute, 2 minute time frame. For 1 minute time frame, 50 every day, the 50 moving average should cross 200, about 90%. The chances of happening is about 90% of the time. So it happens again. Look at the pattern here. You should make your, I think we can make the trading simple. Look at the falling wedge here. This is the first pattern. Identify. When we see falling wedge, either goes further down, have a new pattern, or goes up, have a new pattern. For this case, it broke above. And also another signal here, right? 50 didn't cross 200 for today. So for upside, uptrend, you can guess, this should be a correct, uptrend. The downside could be false. So upside is correct. You can bet on it. So new trend every time. Now we see a new trend here until at the breakout. Wait for the breakout. There's a downtrend. See, there's a down leg here. And then we have a sideways pattern. And then finally, it couldn't hold. We have a new down leg. Always, right? When it's sideways like this, either break up or break down. So this time, it chooses to break down. Either way, but anyway, for this smaller part, even if you didn't get it, that's fine. For this part, you should be able, I think we all should be able to pick up the long side. That's about 1.5 point right here. You should be able to pick this one up. Even we miss this one, that's fine. That's not bad, 1.5 point. Okay, let's look at the Dow Jones. For the Dow Jones, 1, 2, 3, 4. So far, we have 4 days not tested the 5-day moving average. The 5-day moving average hasn't been tested for 4 days. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 days yet. It's really rare and weird, I would say. And also look at the 2 minute time frame. We have 1 day. We have 1 day. The 50 didn't cross about 200 moving average. Second day and third day. It's close, but not yet cross above. So we have 3 days. 50 moving average didn't cross 200 moving average on 2 minute time frame. I would say, this is oversold. Okay, and also the 5-day moving average hasn't been tested for 4 days. You could, have another day tomorrow, 5 days, 6 days, but chances really unlikely. So you can, don't be so bearish at this moment. Wait for the pullback, have a retracement. But let's hope there will be, retracement and go back up, have a bounce first, and then drop again. So don't be so bearish. Don't, this could be a bad trap right down here below. If it tomorrow get down, hit this major support, 37,700 area level, chances, of, having bounce are very high. It might, if it get down like this, it might bounce. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, we have a two gaps already. Two gaps, and 4 days for 5 day moving average not tested, and 3 days for the 2-minute time frame. For the 50 moving average didn't cross above 200 for 3 days. Lots of lots of signals for the bullish tomorrow. I'm not saying the trend reversed. It just temporarily fall. It should stop falling for tomorrow. Let's see what happened tomorrow first. Then we will review it for Monday. For tomorrow, Friday trading, it's the last day of the month. Lots of oversold. I would say this is oversold area. We'll see how far it can bounce. We still have lots of resistance above. Okay, for now, look at SPY, the main support and resistance. 5-day resistance and 20-day resistance. For below support, 50-day. And also this candlestick bar, we have two gaps here too. One gap, two gap. Let's see, tomorrow, 5-day moving average on the SPY will be tested. And what else do we need to look at? We already look at the Dow Jones. And also for the SPY, 2 days, the 50 moving average didn't cross above 200 moving average for 2 days. Dow Jones has 3 days. This is weird, very odd. Okay, let's see. Look at the Dow Jones. Yeah, let's look at the Dow Jones here. This is a future, Dow Jones futures. And today it touched a little bit below the lower band of Bollinger Band. Every time we touch the bottom band of Bollinger Band, always a bounce, right? So I'm expecting a bounce tomorrow. But how far it can go up, I don't know. Okay, we'll see. We'll find out tomorrow. Let's look at the SPY, the Bollinger Band, see what happened. Yeah, still we have a 50-day moving average, support here. So for the Bollinger Band, for the SPY, is in the middle band. So not much to see. And also one more thing I should point out, for the 3-minute time frame, the SPY looks like 50 moving average will cross up below 200 moving average here. So it is a sign. If tomorrow it gets down, it might stay a little bit below for a while. So wait for, look for your entry. Don't get, trapped. Okay. Good luck on your trading. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.